My devotion today was Genesis 1:1. And God created the heavens and earth. I'm about to go see some of his creation. It's time for an adventure, y'all. I can see Elrod's Waterfall from here, from the parking lot, and it's beautiful. It was worth all those hairpin turns that I took to get up here. Beautiful. I love the sound of running water. Wow. Oh, God's beauty. Like, wow. Like, wow. So I'm back at the car, and that was my adventure today at the waterfall. It was nice. I will definitely be back up here. The car did the hike because we are in a pretty high elevation. My ears were popping. Yeah, I actually have a little sweat down. But yeah, it was nice. There was a family out there playing in the water. There's 2 other guys that came, and another couple just pulled up. They said in the summer it's really busy with kids and inner tubes and things like that going down that little smaller hump that you saw of the falls. So I definitely will be back. This was the first day that we're supposed to hit close to 90, I think, for the spring. And I wasn't going to get in the water because I'm sure the water was cold. She said it was kind of cold, one of the moms that was in it with her kids. So now that I know what it looks like, I'm going to be more prepared, and I'm going to come back. I wish I could video for you all the hairpin turns I had to go through to get up here. But again, they're hairpin turns, and I ain't about to take my hands off the wheel to show you guys. Just take my word for it.